Imagine being able to transform the way you handle intellectual property tasks with artificial intelligence, but finding that the current tools just don't cut it. This is exactly the challenge many professionals face when trying to integrate AI into their IP workflows. But what if there was a way to enhance these AI models to better serve your specific needs? That's the focus of our upcoming webinar. On Thursday, September 18 at 12 p.m. Eastern Time, we're hosting a discussion that aims to address the frustrations many of you have experienced with existing generative AI models like ChatGPT and Claude. These models often fall short in terms of precision, consistency, and domain-specific knowledge, which are crucial for effective IP management. But here's where it gets interesting. What if we told you there's a way to improve these models by integrating them with IP-specific data models? Our panel, moderated by Gene Quinn, President-CEO of IP Watchdog Inc., will feature Wen Xie, a patent attorney and founder of LuxLumen Intellectual Property, PC, and Louis Lee, founder and CEO of Moat Metrics. Together, they will delve into several key topics: the limitations of current generative AI models in supporting IP and innovation analysis. For example, these models might struggle with understanding complex patent language or identifying nuanced legal precedents. How to enhance generative AI models using model context protocols and proprietary datasets tailored for IP and innovation analysis. This could mean training the AI to recognize specific terminology or to perform more accurate prior art searches. Practical tips for evaluating and effectively using these enhanced AI models in your workflow. This includes understanding the capabilities and limitations of the AI and how to integrate it seamlessly into your existing processes. And this is the part most people miss. While the idea of enhancing AI models sounds promising, it also raises important questions about data privacy, security, and the potential for bias. Is the trade-off worth it? We encourage you to join us for this insightful discussion and share your thoughts. Do you think the benefits of enhanced AI models outweigh the risks? Or are there other concerns that need to be addressed? Let us know in the comments.